So, hello students, I hope you will be fine. So, students, today we will start the first chapter of your mathematics, whose name is numbers. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn the place value and the face value of the numbers. Ascending order means the ordering of the numbers, comparing of the numbers. So, let's start with the place value. First, we will learn what is the place value. Okay, the place value of a digit is what? The product of the digit with its place value. Place. Okay. Means suppose. So you know the place value chart that the ones, tens, hundred, thousand, lakh, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In this way, I hope you have remember this chart. Now, so what is the place value of the P and B? P point B is what? Your place value. So what is the place value of 3? ओके, प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी बेटा? मीन्स आपको बताया कि प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है. प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? उस नंबर की मीन्स उस डिजिट के साथ जो जिस प्लेस पर वो है उसके प्रोडक्ट के बराबर होता है. ओके, नाउ सी, तो वंस द 3 इज लाई ऑन द वन प्लेस, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डूइंग द प्रोडक्ट, the 3 product of 3 and 1 here. Okay, now 3 into 1 become 3, so that's why the place value of 3 is what? 3. Now the place value of 7, ones and tens, the 7 is the digit and 10 is the position. Okay, place. So 7 into 10 becomes 70 is the place value. And what is the place value of second? Means 2 here. So ones, tens and 100. Now the number is what? The 2 digit is 2 and the position is what? Ones, tens, 100. So product of the 2 into 100 then become 200. What is the place value of this 1? Means 1 is lie on the 1000 place. So product of 1 and the 1000 become 1000. Okay. Now then what will be the face value? The face value of any number is what? Number itself. वही होती है जो ये नंबर होता है. तो प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 इज व्हाट? द 3. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7 इज व्हाट? 7. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज व्हाट? 2. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इज 1. मींस द नंबर इज सेल्फ. ओके, I hope you got the idea. Next is ascending order and the descending order. Means whenever you have to arrange the number in means from smallest to greatest. Okay, जैसे means whenever it's a way of ascending order. And this one, I hope you got the idea. It's your descending order. Okay, now or sometimes you will you can also known as you can also say that it's your increasing order or it's your decreasing order. Okay, now means, so I hope you can easily arrange the number in the ascending order as well as the descending order. Okay, next is the comparing of numbers. Means you can easily compare the which number is greater than which number is greater in two given numbers. Okay, suppose that we have a number like as now. So first to calculate which number is greater, we will compare these numbers from the left side. Okay, now see here, what is the here 8 and what is here the 9. First we will count the number total digits in the number. Okay, सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? numbers के digits count करेंगे. Suppose आपसे पूछा है कि इन दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है. Then in this way first you will count the digits 1 2 3 4 5 and here 1 2 3 4 5. If the both digits are same, then we will look for the number which is placed in the leftmost. Okay, now what is here 8 and what is here 9. So obviously this one will be greater. And suppose that if there are the 4 digits, then sorry, here are the 4 digits, then which number will be greater? Yes, this one. The greater digits, having the number which have the greater digits, that will be greater. Okay, now if both number have the same digits, means 5 and their leftmost digit is also same, then in this way we will ignore this digit and now we will look for this next digit, that is 9 and 7. So which one is greater here? This one. Yes, so then it will be greater. Okay, okay, let's start the your exercise. Okay, one more thing, the expanded form. expanded form. You know the expanded form? Suppose what is the number? 1273 is the number, then the expanded form of this number is what? How will we solve this number? We have question, we have 1273. Okay, then expanded form of 1273 equal to what? 1000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 3. Okay, so it's your expanded form. Means in this way you can easily arrange the question, you can easily represent the number in the expanded form, and you can easily convert the expanded form to the standard form. Okay, I hope you got the idea. So in this way you have to start your exercise. Let's start the exercise 1.1. The first question, in first question you have to write down the place value of the color digit. Okay, so here I am providing the first question, the A part of the first question. What is the question? I am writing with the black pen, so it is impossible to determine this number by any color digits. Okay, but I am telling you here the 8 is 8 is written with the red colors. Okay, in your book. Okay, so you have to find out the place value of 8 here. Okay, so we have a number, so now it become your solution. Here you will write the solution. Then we have a number equal to this one. It's your classwork. What is classwork? Okay, now place value of 8 equal to what? 1 times 100, 800. 8 into 100 become 800. Okay, I hope you got the idea. Clear? समझ में आया बेटा? Okay, now so in this way you can easily solve the, and suppose the in same question if the we have to find the face value of the 8, then face value of the 8 is will be what? It will be remain same, that is 8. Okay, and face value of 8 equal to what? 8. Okay, now in next question, write down the place value and the face value of the 7 in the following numbers. So you will do it by yourself. In next question, question number 3, write in the numerals. आपको क्या करना है? नंबर्स की फॉर्म में लिखना है. Here your question is written in your words form. So in this question you have to write down the numbers. You have to write down these words into the numbers. Okay, in next question, question number 4, you have to write down the numbers in the expanded form. Okay, let's do the expanded form questions here. But I have already explained this expanded form. I hope you know how to write the expanded form of any number. Okay, now see what is the question. In fourth question, write the expanded form of the given below numbers given below. Okay, so here we will do the D part. Okay, which one? D. 6, 9, 432. Solution. How will we solve this question? We have number equal to 6, 9. Okay, now change into expanded form. Now change or write into expanded form. Change into expanded form. Then फर्स्ट वंस, टेंस, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 6 crore plus 90 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. It's your expanded form. Okay, and in next question you have to write down the numbers in the words. Okay, so here we have completed the 1.1 exercise. It's your exercise number 1.1. Okay, in next exercise we will start the next exercise. Okay, so what is the successor and the predecessor of any number? By adding 1 in this number you will get the successor of this number, and by subtracting 1 from this number you will get what? A predecessor of that number. Okay, clear? Okay beta, thank you.